Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into top AI skills students need to excel in academics. I hope you stay till the end of this video. Don't be left behind. Learn how AI can change your academic fortunes. Now let me ask you a serious question that you may not have thought of. Do you know that the difference between top students and struggling students in the next few years will not be intelligence but how they use AI? Pay careful attention to what I have just said. Not who uses AI, but how they use it. AI is already inside education. Assignments, research, exams, projects, presentations. AI is here. And no, this video is not about cheating. It's about excelling academically in an AI-powered world. Today, I'm breaking down the top AI skills every student must learn to get better grades, learn faster, and prepare for the future. Whether you're in school, college, or university, this video will change how you study for forever. Education hasn't changed much in decades. Same lectures, same exams, same memorization, but AI just broke that system. Today, students can summarize entire textbooks in minutes and generate practice questions instantly and get explanations tailored to their level. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Students who ignore AI will fall behind. Students who copy from AI will get caught. But students who collaborate with AI intelligently will dominate. And universities know this. That's why many institutions are no longer asking students if they used AI. They're asking if they used AI responsibly. This is why AI skills are now academic skills. Let's talk about the first and most important one. Skill number 1, prompting. This is important for tasking AI the right way. Let us use a typical example. If students ask AI what is photosynthesis, they get a response similar to answers from Google search. And then they say, AI isn't that helpful. Top students know this secret. AI quality depends on question quality. This skill is called prompting. Instead of saying, explain photosynthesis, try the prompt like this. Explain photosynthesis step by step before a grade 10 student using simple language and one real-life example. Same AI, completely different result. Prompting means giving context, asking follow-up questions, and refining answers. This alone can improve your grades because when AI explains something your way, learning becomes faster and deeper. And this leads to the next skill. Skill number 2, critical thinking with AI. This is something schools don't teach enough. AI can be wrong, confident, fluent, and wrong. Top students don't blindly trust AI, they challenge it. They ask, is this accurate? What's missing? Can you show another perspective? Critical thinking means cross-checking answers, compare output with textbooks, asking why, not just what. If AI gives you an answer and you question it, your brain is learning. If you copy and paste, your brain is sleeping. AI should trigger thinking, not replace it. Skill number 3, research and information literacy. Research used to mean hours of reading, confusing papers and information overload. AI changes that, but only if used correctly. Smart students use AI to summarize chapters, break down research papers, generate research questions, and organize notes. But here's the rule. AI helps you understand sources. It is not the source. Never blindly cite AI-generated references. Instead, ask AI to explain, then verify with real sources. This skill is called information literacy. In the AI age, knowing what to trust is more important than knowing what to memorize. Skill number 4, academic writing with ethical AI use. Let's talk about essays. Bad students ask, write my essay. Smart students ask, help me improve my essay. There's a huge difference. Top students use AI to create outlines, improve clarity, fix grammar, and learn better sentence structure. They don't submit AI written work. They submit AI-assisted original work. This is important because universities check for AI misuse, plagiarism policies are strict, and integrity matters more than ever. Using AI ethically isn't a weakness, it is a professional skill. Skill number 5, data and analytical thinking. In modern academics, data is everywhere. Graphs, charts, statistics, and trends. AI can analyze data fast, but students must interpret it. Analytical thinking means understanding patterns, asking what data means, and connecting numbers to concepts. Instead of memorizing formulas, top students ask, what is this telling me? AI supports analysis, humans provide understanding. Numbers show information, but analytical thinking gives meaning. Next or result, ask, what is this telling me? Skill number 6, creativity plus AI collaboration. There is a myth that AI kills creativity. The reality is that AI amplifies creativity. AI does not think for you. AI works with what you give it. If your idea is weak, the result will be weak. If your idea is strong, AI helps you make it better. That's why students today must learn how to create with AI, not just how to copy from it. How smart students use AI for creativity. Instead of asking AI to do their work, they use it as a creative partner. For example, students use AI to brainstorm project ideas when they don't know where to start, turn simple notes into organized outlines, create slides, diagrams, and presentation visuals, build mind maps to understand complex topics. In the past, students were rewarded for memorizing information. But today, information is everywhere. AI can recall facts in seconds, turn boring subjects into stories, examples, or real-life situations, generate practice questions or creative revision methods. So what makes you valuable now? Your ability to think differently, ask creative questions, solve problems in new ways, combine ideas from different subjects, and create something original. In the future, creativity will matter more than memory. The students who succeed will not be the ones who only remember facts. They'll be the ones who can imagine new ideas, explain concepts in unique ways, use AI as a tool, not a shortcut, create projects, solutions, and innovation. So don't be afraid of AI, learn to work with it. Because when creativity meets AI, your potential becomes unlimited. Skill number 7, coding and computational thinking. Now don't worry, you don't need to become a programmer, but you do need to learn how to think like one. Because in today's world, success is not just about what you know. It's about how you solve problems. So what exactly is computational thinking? It's a method of solving problems using logic and structure. There are 4 simple parts. Is it the definition, the formula, the example? When problems become smaller, they become easier. Part 1, break the problem into smaller pieces. Instead of saying a topic is too hard, ask what exactly don't I understand? Part 2, look for patterns. Most exam questions repeat patterns in mathematics, in chemistry, even in economics. Top students don't memorize everything. They recognize patterns. Part 3, focus on what matters. Sometimes questions include extra information. Computational thinkers ask, what is important here? This helps in word problems, data interpretation, graphs, and charts. Part 4, think step by step. Instead of guessing, you follow a process. For example, in chemistry, step 1, write the equation. Step 2, balance it. Step 3, apply the formula. Step 4, calculate. That is exactly how programmers think. Remember, we are still on skill 7, which is coding and computational thinking. We have talked about computational thinking. Now let's talk about coding and how coding helps your brain. Coding is not just about computers. Coding trains your brain to think logically, follow steps, fix mistakes, and be patient. When your code doesn't work, you don't panic. You debug, you ask, where is the error? That same skill helps you during exams. Instead of panicking, you analyze. The good news is that AI makes learning easier than ever. Students can use AI to learn basic coding like Python or Scratch, ask for step-by-step explanations, fix errors in their work, and understand how algorithms work. You can even ask AI to explain mathematics problem like a computer would solve it. And it will break it down step by step. AI is like your personal coding tutor. Now, you might be thinking, I am not a science student. Why does this skill matter to me? It matters to you because computational thinking helps in every subject. In mathematics, you reduce mistakes. In physics and chemistry, you understand processes. In economics, you analyze trends and cause and effect. In accounting, you follow procedures correctly. In everyday life, you make better decisions because your thinking becomes clear and organized. You may be wondering how to start with this skill. There are practical ways to start. You don't need to start big. Start small. Try any of these. Spend 30 minutes a week learning Scratch. Try simple Python lessons online. Ask AI to explain problems step by step. Practice writing your solutions in clear steps. Remember, the goal is not to become a programmer. The goal is to train your brain. Skill number 8, using AI for productivity and time management. Let us approach this skill by first looking at the real problem students face. Most students don't fail because they are lazy or not intelligent. The real problems are not knowing what to study, not knowing when to study, reading without a clear plan, waiting until exams are close, feeling overwhelmed by many subjects. This leads to last-minute cramming, anxiety and panic, and poor performance. So the issue is not effort. The issue is lack of structure. What does productivity really mean? Productivity is not studying for long hours. Productivity means studying the right topic at the right time with a clear goal in a focused way. For example, unproductive will say, I will read biology today. Productive will say, I will study photosynthesis and answer 20 questions. AI helps students move from random studying to planned studying. It helps students plan better by creating study schedules. Students can ask AI to create a SSC or JAMB study timetable for all their subjects. They can even ask AI to plan their reading schedule for a specific number of days. AI organizes subjects, topics, time blocks, and revision days. This removes confusion about where to start. B. Breaking down the syllabus. Many syllabi look too big and scary. AI can divide a subject into small topics, arrange them from simple to difficult, set daily learning targets. This makes studying feel manageable instead of overwhelming. Generating revision questions. After studying, students can ask AI to generate practice questions, multiple choice quizzes, and short tests. This helps with self-testing, memory retention, exam confidence. D. Exam preparation strategy. AI can help students create revision plans before exams, identify weak areas, suggest what to focus on, simulate exam conditions. Instead of guessing what to revise, students prepare strategically. When students have a plan, it reduces stress. They know what to study each day. They feel in control and they avoid last-minute panic. AI helps reduce stress because everything is organized. Beat procrastination because tasks are clear and small. Avoid burnout because study time is balanced and consistency becomes easier. In the future, successful students won't be the ones who study the longest. They will be the ones who can plan their time, manage their energy, use AI to organize their learning, and stay consistent every day. Because success in school and in life is built on daily discipline. Skill number 9, AI ethics and academic integrity. This skill is extremely important. Especially for students using AI tools like ChatGPT and other learning platforms. AI is powerful, but how you use it determines whether it helps your future or harms it. This is serious because misusing AI in school can lead to rejected assignments. If a teacher discovers that your work is copied directly from AI without understanding or modification, they may refuse to mark it. It can also lead to damaged reputation. Once labeled as someone who cheats or copies, it becomes harder for teachers to trust your work again. It can lead to disciplinary action against you. Schools and universities now have clear AI policies. Breaking them can lead to penalties, including suspension in serious cases. And let us look at what ethical AI use actually means. A. Transparency. Be honest about using AI. If your school requires disclosure, say you used AI for research ideas, brainstorming, editing, or proofreading. Hiding AI use is what creates problems. B. Original thinking. AI should assist your thinking, not replace it. Bad use of AI is to copy, paste, submit. Good use of AI is to read the AI response, understand it, and write in your own words. Add your own examples. Add your own analysis. Your brain should still do the real work. C. Respecting school rules. Different schools have different AI policies. Some allow research support, grammar checking, and study explanations. Some restrict full essay generation, exam assistance, take-home test answers. The goal of using AI is not to trick plagiarism systems, outsmart teachers, or finish work without learning. The real goal is to understand topics faster, improve writing skills, get clearer explanations, and study smarter. The smart student mindset is to think of AI as a study partner, a tutor, and a brainstorming assistant, not as a shortcut machine, a cheating tool, or a replacement for your brain. Skill number 10, adaptability and lifelong learning. This is truly one of the most important skills students can develop in the AI era. Technology is not slowing down, it is speeding up. New AI tools are released every year. Study methods are changing. Career paths are evolving. The students who win are not the ones who know everything. They are the ones who can adjust quickly and keep learning. Why adaptability matters now more than ever. AI will keep changing, tools will evolve, school rules will update. Careers that exist today may look completely different in 5 to 10 years. For example, new AI research tools replace old ones. Writing assistants become smarter. Study apps become more personalized. Employers start demanding new digital skills. If you resist change, you fall behind. If you adapt, you stay ahead. Adaptability is not just going with the flow. It means being curious. Curious students ask, how does this tool work? How can this help my studies? What skills should I learn next? Curiosity keeps you growing. It also means being flexible. Flexible students try new study methods, switch strategies if one isn't working. Adaptability also means willingness to relearn. In the AI world, what worked last year may not work this year. Sometimes you must update your skills, learn a better method, and unlearn outdated habits. Strong students don't attach their identity to old methods, they upgrade. Now, let's look at lifelong learning. This is powerful. If you know how to learn, you can master any subject. You can adapt to any technology. You can survive any academic change. You can grow in any career. Why lifelong learning makes you future-proof? Knowledge becomes outdated. Tools become outdated. But the ability to learn quickly, That never expires. The most successful students are not those who memorize the most. They are the ones who can learn fast, adapt fast, and improve continuously. Let me leave you with this. AI will not replace students, but students who use AI well will replace those who don't. Use AI to think better, learn faster, and grow smarter. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI plus education content. Your future depends on the skills you build today. Comment, how are you using AI for studying? See you in the next one.